Hey everyone, this is Rick. I wanted to share some story about cleaning that was getting tired of hearing me talk about my own cleaning all the time. And there's lots of great cleaners and pressers out there in the world. Conservationists, I guess we'll call her. This is Florian Newman. He's our friend from Austria. I wanted to share a story about what he did. So he bought some ImmacuClean, some paper, some pressing boards, and he's got this book. Let's take a look at some of his pictures here. This is a before picture, so we got wrinkles, super dirty. You see it all the time, that sort of gray blanket of smudge, of grossness on the book. And let's see here. I'm looking, lots of wrinkles. I can't really see the staples from this picture, but let's go through and see. This is dirty. We've got, same stuff. Yellow and orange, so we're cautious with that, right? Lots of wrinkles around the top, some little like indentations here that probably need to be ball bearinged out. We have same stuff. So different angles. There we go. I'm trying to see if that's wrinkly or not. Or not wrinkly, rusty, dirty. This is pretty hardcore book. This is probably a 3. My guesstimation. Let's see here. Let's get through these a little quicker. Here's the front. We have not a subscription crease, but just a crease. Massive spine ticks. Another like a reading fold here. Okay, we're getting there. I'm seeing what we see. This book definitely needs some love. A lot of gloss, high gloss. It's hard with a dark cover like that with the spine ticks. Oh man, that's some pretty serious stuff. That is not a pretty book. I'd say it's solidly in the 3 range, maybe a 3.5 with the gloss. I kind of doubt it. Shadow stuff here. So let's see what he does. He is cleaned. So this is now cleaned. All right. So this is whiter. Looks whiter to me. Yeah, that's significantly wider, especially here. I'd say he did a great job there. Yeah, that looks nice. Remember, he had a long crease right here along the spine, and there was like a couple of these like little look like staple bite marks or something there. You can still see this crease here, but a lot of the other stuff's gone, which is nice, and he maintained the gloss, which is good. Oh yeah, that book's a huge improvement. Good job. I mean, is that a 6.5 maybe? It's not can't be doubled, right? Maybe 5.5. Oh yeah, like I guess maybe 5-ish, but still a huge jump. Oh yeah, he did a great job. I mean, remember how bad this thing looked before? I guess I could do some before and afters. It's just a quick survey. Here we go. Here he is cleaning. This is like obviously like before he pressed it. And this is some of the dirt he removed from the book. You can see what he's done here. And yeah, he's removed quite a bit. That's his cold press board. And yeah, he's got quite a bit off. Oh geez, look at the front. Look how much he got off the front of that book. Wow, he's done great. So, and that's it. Yeah, I mean, you could stand some cleaning. Obviously, you could do this probably for weeks and still continue to get dirt out of the book. But you know, for the amount of time he put into it, first pass, that's a significant improvement. He did a really good job. I'm really happy for him. So there again, just to remind you, let's go with dirty real quick. Look at this. Look at this area here. Especially look at this area right here. Concentrate on that, the spine, the top, where it's most obvious. And let's go up to the top and look. And let's find a photo of it cleaned here. Let's see if we can get a picture of that text area. I guess this is the only one really there. I mean, it's still got some dirt, but a lot cleaner. So is it a more presentable book? Absolutely. Is it more wrinkle free? Yeah, here's this wrinkles here, up there. You see that? And let's look up here again. Yeah, he did great. And that chamfer board really helped him take out those ticks, it looks like, too. Let's see here. Let me see. Get my finger up. Zoom in on that. Yeah. Well, you can't. There's no light there, but it appears that they're out. So, yeah, good for him. I mean, he did a great job. We're happy and proud for our friend Florian. Thanks for sharing the images, Florian, and see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.